Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are checking out the Razer BlackWidow V4 Pro 75% wireless gaming keyboard. This is a premium 75% hot swappable mechanical keyboard featuring a 2-inch OLED display, true 4K Hz wireless connectivity, and Razer Gen 3 orange tactile switches. If you want ultimate customization with pro-level performance, this one delivers. Let me break down the specs. It has a 75% form factor with function row and arrow keys, saving desk space while maintaining functionality. The 2-inch OLED display shows PC metrics, keyboard status, custom animations, and GIFs with the Razer command dial for on-the-fly adjustments including volume, zoom, track selection, and up to 100 configurable modes. Connectivity options include Razer HyperSpeed wireless with 4000 Hz polling rate, Bluetooth 5.1 for up to 3 devices, and USB-C wired mode. It features hot swappable PCB supporting 3-pin and 5-pin switches, pre-installed Gen 3 orange tactile switches with 50G actuation force, Doubleshot PBT keycaps with textured matte finish, and a magnetic plush leatherette wrist rest. Build quality includes a recycled 5052 aluminum alloy top case, PCR plastic bottom case, gasket-mounted FR4 plate, PCB, and case sound dampening foams, non-conductive tape-enhanced PCB, and lubricated screw-in stabilizers with Krytox GPL205G0. RGB lighting features per key Razer Chroma with 2-side underglow. Snap tap mode prioritizes the last input between opposing keys for faster strafing in games. Power saving mode achieves up to 2100 hours battery life by disabling OLED and RGB. Dimensions are 382 by 159.6 by 39.6 mm, weighing 1247 g. Razer Synapse 4 software enables full customization with hybrid onboard storage for 5 profiles. 2-year warranty applies to keyboards. The typing experience is phenomenal with tactile switches that satisfy both typists and gamers. The OLED display with command dial adds genuine utility for quick adjustments without software. Link in description. Thank you.